Welcome, home cooks. Today we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen gadget designed to simplify your meal prep and elevate your cooking experience. This incredible appliance truly replaces 9 different kitchen tools, giving you more counter space and less hassle. Imagine a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, sterilizer, cake maker, and food warmer all in one sleek device. With 15 customizable smart programs, from poultry to oatmeal, even a beginner can whip up gourmet meals effortlessly. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and makes cleanup a breeze, a feature busy families will especially appreciate. It's truly a versatile investment that will revolutionize how you cook, saving you precious time and effort in the kitchen. If you're looking to buy a multi-cooker that delivers consistent results and incredible value, this is it. Check out the Amazon link in the description below for the best price and current offers. For anyone serious about efficient cooking and delicious results, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute game changer in 2025. Grab yours today and transform your kitchen.